Now, the mobile app has some neat things that we've added over the last, probably would say year and a half. But one of the things you want to do right away is recognize where stuff is. So in here in the mobile app to record, blue camera icon at the bottom. Once you hit the blue camera icon, that's going to open up the recorder. Now, a couple things. When you first use the mobile app, this is probably going to be defaulted for a minute. I always slide mine over to 10. That way it doesn't get cut off. And when I hit record, I'm going to tap the circle at the bottom, and now I'm recording. Timer in my eye line up here, and there's another timer on the button. We added this pause button over here. So you can hit the pause button, stop, click it again to resume. And then to stop the recording, tap the circle again, and now you have recorded a clip, just like the desktop app. They're very similar. This is a clip recorder as well. Now this clip has been automatically downloaded to my phone, so I have it in my photo video area if I need it. I'm going to hit record one more time just so we have multiple clips in here. Each clip has to be at least 2 seconds. There's my second clip. Again, downloaded to my phone. And I can move these around. I can take my finger, hold a clip, slide it. So you can shoot in any order that you want. And when you tap a clip individually, that's where you can delete, trim, and if I select
Just
edit, this is where I can add music to the clip. We have a whole library of royalty-free music. I can do text on screen, like you saw in the example where it said "Hi John" above my head, or I can type the hook and have it right above my head or wherever I want to put it. I also can do a voiceover on this clip, or I can do a voiceover at the end. I can speed up the action. Like if you're going down a hallway in a property walkthrough, if you want to have a cool shot where you're moving down the hallway quick. We have some people that use Dubb for car lots, and they'll go around the cars and stuff like that. So it just depends on how creative you want to get with it. And you can do all of that within each clip. Now, these icons over here to the right, what do they do? Well, if you click the tooltip at the top, the little eye icon, if you select that there, it's going to tell you everything that it does. So this is a useful little button here, especially when you're first using it. And then tap it again to close. And now this right here is going to flip your camera around to show what's in front of you. This is your countdown timer right here. I always have mine on 3 seconds. You can do 3 or 10, but three seems like the perfect amount of time when you hit record, get ready to smile, and you're ready to go. This button right here is new. This is the video stabilization button. So if you're doing a walk and talk and you feel like it looks like a crazy horror movie, and you want to smooth it out, select this button right here and then just select low, medium, or high, and that will smooth it out for you. If you want to use a teleprompter, it's this button right here. When you select here, just like we did before, go in here and find your script. Let's grab this one. And then you can choose the speed, like we saw before, between 1 and 10. Hit the play button, see if you like the speed. You can also do some live editing here. So the pencil icon, if you're starting to read it out loud and you're like, you know what, this doesn't sound right, or I want to switch something up, you can hit the pencil icon here, make the changes, and then save on the fly. Also, if your eyes are not staying at the top where they should be and they're kind of down here, move up the guardrail like this. That way there's nothing to look at and your eyes are forced to stay at the top. You also can go landscape and the script will adjust to the side. Now, if you want to use voice recognition, you have that as an option. Select the gear icon over here to the left, select auto track, and then when I hit record, it's going to highlight the words like this. Think the company gatekeeper is tough? Try getting past their AI spam filter. Modern gatekeepers are algorithms and inbox rules. One in, and then see how it kind of went at my pace. So you have that ability to go auto track or auto scroll, whatever one you want. And then to close the teleprompter, tap the X. And then if you want to, if you had a video that you recorded on your phone outside of the mobile app and you want to make it added down here as a clip, go to this little folder button here. It'll take you to your photo video area on your phone. Select the video you want. It'll say, do you want to add the clip? Yes. And then it will drop it right down in here. If you want to record your screen, this button right here. If you want to use filters, this button. This will give you black and white, skin smoothing, different kind of color gradations. You can just choose the ones that you want. This one right over here is picture in picture like we saw at the top. This is where you select this one and it's going to record what's in front of you and then you can move around. You can zoom yourself in, back yourself up, all kinds of cool stuff you can do with picture in picture. And then lastly, down here at the bottom is your virtual background. So a lot like the webcam, when you go here, it'll take you here, take screenshots on your phone of stuff you want, people's profiles, backgrounds, articles, company websites, all the stuff we talked about before. That will load it behind you. And now you can record a clip just like this. And when you're done recording and you want to merge all these clips into that one video, hit the blue button at the top right. That's going to merge everything together. And once it is merged, it will be automatically saved to your phone, downloaded to your photo video area, and then you can upload it into the platform. We have multiple right here as you see the blue upload button, and that will actually save it into Dubb.